Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou.
Okay, we're in something called Shawan, ancient city. It's in the southern part of Guangzhou, Panyu district, I believe it's called. You can see some of the architecture or some of the housing up there, this Lingnan style up there. And we're going to explore and kind of give you an idea what it looks like. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where it is as well. So stay tuned. I love these ancient villages. So Guangzhou is a pretty big city, but there's a lot to it, including these, even those little ancient villages. So we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where this one is at. And this one is Shawan Ancient Village. It's in the southern part of Guangzhou, and it used to be historically its own little town. So we're gonna walk through it and show it to you as if you were there yourself. Let's go take a look. Guangzhou, China. Shawan Ancient Forest. Let's kind of just take a look and see some of the stuff. We also have some nice murals on the walls over there too. But we're gonna take a look and see. It's about 11:30 in the morning on a Thursday. So it looks like I just came in a little bit. It looks like people are gearing up. Oh, those are all ready. So they're gearing up for tourism for the day. And there's all kinds of like signage from I don't know exactly what I don't know the significance of the village. I just know the location. So I don't know if there's some symbolic things that occurred in this town, but it does seem like there's quite a few of these posters. Okay, so we're gonna check out more of them. Hello. Okay, let me see. But you can see all the kind of set up for tourists. Right now it's like the heat of the day. It's also like the last week of July, so it's pretty hot as well. I do wonder what this would be looking like on the weekend. Shawan. So everything is this way. So this right here, they'll put on a period piece clothing for photos. So yeah, definitely feels like it's all set up for tourists here. Even at 11:30 in the morning on a Thursday. Like the food is already ready. There's not really, the tourists aren't really here right now though, so I don't know. Are these all Guangzhou stuff, or is these? Yeah, these are all Guangzhou. So I wonder if people come from all over. It feels like people are ready for the day. Thai lemon tea. Oh, these winters are so bright. Okay, so we do have that. Let me just kind of see what's in here a little bit. I think everybody's just kind of waiting for the day to start. So So okay, so it looks like everything is down that way. So we'll go down that way too. Okay, so we're just coming right into this temple. I just hear drums. It looks like I have to scan a code here. No. Hello. I think I turned the camera off, but she said it was 40 to go in here, which is okay, but I don't really, I just kind of want to check out the town. Oh, there's some girls in period pieces over there. Anyways, let's get into the city part and we'll take a look. So yeah, you can see those two girls. So I think what they do is they get the costumes or the dresses in these shops, probably over there, or maybe even I walked by another one too, and then they must take photos, you know, like ancient times. Let's get right into here and see what else we can find. There's a map up there. Okay, now we're getting into the alleys. So let's just kind of see here. So we're right there. I came in over here, I think, and I'm going to be exiting over here. So I guess what, we'll, it's hard to say. Anyways, we definitely have to go either here or here. Let's go down here. This is set up for tourists. When they walk by, they can do angel wings. Some of the homes set up for tourism. Some artists. These ancient cities often attract the artists too. They make a living selling some of their artwork. Okay, it looks like we have a Lingnan style architecture coming up here. Here's all the stuff. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna go down I'm basically just walking from one gate to the other, so I'm going to go down to the south gate. There's a lot of people in there. It's a coffee shop. Looks like we got crystal healing. Okay, let's just kind of go down. So the courtyards. I was in another ancient city yesterday, in Guangzhou. That'll be on the YouTube channel. That one was pretty cool. Had a lot of shade in it, and all of them are really nice. It's kind of a mix of old and new. So like this one looks like they set up an apartment. I guess they must own the property and then they can do whatever they want. So if they tear down the, I wonder if they're preserved now. I don't know. Like when I do see the newer styles, you know, like the one we just looked at, I do notice that they are kind of old now. But there's probably a time period where, this one right here, let's see what it says, but these are made out of oyster shells. I saw this in the other ancient city. The other one looks like they cemented them. Looks like this did too. This one does too. So you can kind of see. In Macau, these kind of walls in Macau, sometimes they'd also be mixed with like oyster shells. This one is too. So the walls would be like made out of oyster shells. This one looks like it's like two different styles, right? But I'd see this in Macau to a certain degree. Okay. So we're gonna come on out. Let me see here. So here's another street. I think I kind of wanted us to keep it. It says old house up there. I wonder if some of these have music, like live music in the evenings. So I'm going to keep going towards the arrow that says Southgate. I'm kind of curious what this would be like at nighttime. Sometimes these ancient villages will have live music at night, like playing like historical style. Like that one that we just looked up in the windows, up in the balcony. Not this one, but that other one. Yeah, so this one looks more like the newer styles, but that are now old. So it's kind of a mix, right? Love lemon iced tea. There's matcha aroma. Kindergarten vintage. Yeah, this has like nice cozy little streets. That's the thing I like about these. These are all like pre-car, you know, so back when cities were designed, you didn't have to take in consideration of cars. Let's see if we can see. So yeah, it feels like as we get closer to the south exit, it feels like there's more. Hello. Hello. How are you? So when they say hello, that means that they're actually invited. They're inviting themselves into the camera. So these are more of the period pieces. Which I kind of like because people do say hello a lot in China. Not a lot, but a little bit. But if you have a camera and somebody says hello, it's kind of an invitation to put them on camera, right? Because otherwise they would not say hello. This is I came in at the gate where there was hardly anybody around, and now I can see that this gate is some homeless, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, it must be. Somebody else has said hello. Yeah, this side has a lot more people. So I guess Southgate is where people usually come in at, I guess. Yeah, a lot more stuff built up. Got all the period pieces as well. I'm trying to make sure I get plenty of the shade. Yeah, actually, so you can get into these little alleys. It's like a whole little village in here. Some days I love exploring these alleys, but today it's about noon in late July. So as you can imagine, it's quite hot and humid. So I think a lot of other people are the same. They're kind of sticking to the shade. It's a bank. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. So she just gave me this. I'll eat it later. I don't want to eat it on camera. Here's more of these little makeup things so you can get into the period piece costumes. Kind of want to get back in the shade here. So yeah, basically I'm just going to bring this to the Southgate. I'm not really extensively showing you Shawan Ancient Village, but you are getting a little bit of a taste of it, and you can kind of see all the period pieces like that. So it looks like a great place to kind of dress up and get some good photography. And there's a photographer right there. There's a nice cat mural art. It's just so hot, it kind of makes me not want to walk around too much. I guess I have the camera on, but I'm actually trying to get this one. I like those sunglasses. Sometimes I would try to take a sugarcane tea. It's good too. Here's more of these, you can dress up. So I think we're just gonna go right to the south gate, and then I'm actually gonna move on to another town called Shunde. I feel like this would be a great place to come in the evening and explore. I feel right now on a Thursday at this particular time, it's too hot in July. But at least you kind of got an idea for what it looks like. So yeah, that enters right into Shunde, and we're at the south gate, and a lot of scooters going through. There's all the signs. There's even tour buses over here. Oh no, that's a delivery truck. Okay. So on that note, you kind of got an idea of Shawan Ancient Village. And it goes right into the town right there with all the cars. And I think we're gonna end this video right here. So you got a taste of it anyways. Definitely a great place to see in the evening.
Something to see, just look around.